Hi guys, today we're going to show you our custom solution for the seal for our balcony door. Right here we have our portable air conditioner. It comes with mounting plates like this. This is the base plate, it will go right here. And we have two extensions, which will probably be enough for your window. But in case of our balcony door, they are too short. In order to compensate the difference, we used this clear plastic panel, which we had to cut to size. This one you can either get online or at Home Depot. I will leave you guys the link in the description. And right here we have the panel that is already finished. And right now I will show you how we installed it. Right here we have two layers of this panel, and in this case they actually fit perfectly in our mounting plate like this. Our balcony door has two bumpers, one on the bottom and one on the top. Because of that we installed this foam seal for the whole height of our door, and also we installed the Velcro tape right here, which will match the one on our new seal. We had to lightly modify the mounting panel, this way it fits on top of this metallic guide. We can rest the panel right here, and then it gets secured using the Velcro tape. And on top we use two corks to secure the paneling. To prevent the panel from sliding, you can simply secure it with a piece of tape like this, and pretty much it's ready to go. As you can see, we can still open and close the door, and on the right side now we have our new seal. Now you can easily attach the pipe right here, and it's ready to go. Installation and removal of this panel only takes a few minutes, and as I said before, as you can see, the door is fully functional and it's pretty tight all around. Our AC is now working. We have the cold air inside now, and the hot air comes out using this pipe. We will also try to make the review of this LG portable air conditioner, so stay tuned. And this is how it looks from the outside. Again, quite a simple solution. All you need to do is just get this panel and cut it to size, basically. I want to show you guys again the plastic that we used. First of all, as you can see, it's transparent, so it will let the light in. It is made of hard plastic. We use a knife to cut it, but you can also use a saw, or you can use heavy-duty scissors. And on the sides of the plastic we used this kind of white tape, which again can be seen right here. This is the price for the panel. It's 96 inches high. Here it is. This is how it looks, guys. And again, it's available at Home Depot. That's it for our quick review of the custom door seal. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.